Good morning, students. Today's class we are going to learn the new topic is dictionaries. From that we are going to learn how to create a dictionary, accessing the dictionary and characteristic of the dictionaries. Before going through the dictionary, we will learn what does mean by list. We will revise what is the meaning of list. Yes, list is a collection of different kind of values and store it in a order. This is called as what? List. What does mean by dictionary? Dictionary means it is like a bag of values. In that bag you can store different kind of values. Each value has its own label. For example, in this bag you have stored different kinds of value: calculator, perfume, money, pencil, pen, eraser. But each value has its own label. For example, if you are searching a meaning of a word, how will you search in the dictionary? You will search the first letter in that dictionary. If it match, you have to search the word. So each word have a different meaning, but the key should be unique. The key should be unique. We'll see how we can create the dictionaries. We can create the dictionaries using curly braces. Using curly braces we can create the dictionaries. This is what curly brackets. In this bracket only you have to represent the dictionary. So each pair in the dictionary is represented by key and value. So each pair in the dictionary is represented by key and value. This is the pair of the dictionary. You have to represent like key value, semicolon, then value, and each value is separated by colon. Each value separated by colon. If you want to add multiple values, if you want to add multiple values in the dictionary, you can use the comma to separate the multiple values. You can use the comma to separate the multiple values. Dictionary, it is an unordered collection of key value pairs. It is not in the same order. It is an different kinds of different collection of orders. The keys must be immutable object. We cannot change. What is mean by immutable? We cannot edit. The key value we cannot edit. Key value, it is an unique. See, listen. This is the way you have to create the dictionary. So here A is a dictionary value, dictionary variable 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. The number, this is called as what? Keys. What is the value? 1, 2, 3. This is called as what? Values. This is called as what? Values. After the colon, what we have mentioned with the string codes, that is called as what? Values. How to create the dictionary? We can create the dictionary using the function dict. Using the function dict. It is used to create the new dictionaries with no items. We can also create the dictionary using the curly brackets also. Let us see using the function dictionary dict how we can create the dictionary. D equal to, D is set as a variable dict. It is an what? Dictionary is created. So it will display the empty dictionary. After that you can insert the key value pair in the dictionary. Device equal to curly brackets 4. Device equal to curly brackets 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes, so this is called as what? Keys. After the colon they have mentioned scanner, printer, mouse, keyboard. This is called as what? Values. So you can create key value pairs in the dictionary that should be enclosed within curly brackets. If you want to create multiple pairs, that should be separated by the value comma. Now you can display the device. It will display the dictionary values. How to access the elements of a dictionary like list, tuples, string. We can access the dictionary element also. For example, what they have mentioned, D equal to the some values, the key value pair they have created. D of 1, that means it is a what value? Key value. Key value 1, key it is a what? 1. So it will display the value of the key. What is the value? 80. It will display the value. The next, T of 4. T of 4, what is the value here? 60. What is the value here? 60. It will display the message. See, listen, the key value as you have mentioned, that should be enclosed within a single quotes. If you are not mentioned in a single quotes, it will display the message as a key error. It will display the message as a key error. Traversing a dictionary. You all know about that. Traversing the string, traversing the list, traversing the tuple. Yes, so that positive index value start from left to right. So the value start from left to right. Negative index value start from right to left. The value -1. Yes, so how to traversing a dictionary? What is the syntax for using this? For item in dictionary end with colon. For item in dictionary end with colon. Now D equal to some set of key value pass they have created in the dictionary D. For key is a control variable, key in D. So it will display the message. It will take the first key value pair. What is the key value first? 1. So key, D of key, it will display the key and value. First it will display the key value, the next key. What it will display? D of key. For example, D of key 1 means what is it? Answer. It will display the result as 80. Here what is the key what we have taken the first? 1. After that what it needs to print? Colon. Like this it will take one another next element. Okay. So this is the way you have to use the traversing the dictionary. Accessing the key or values simultaneously. For example, to access the key values, to access the keys, to access the values, there are two functions are there. If you want to display all the keys in the dictionary, you can use this dictionary dot keys function. If you want to display the values in the dictionary, you can use this dictionary dot value function. So we have created a D equal to dictionary equal to some set of key value pass. D dot key means it will display the list of keys. What are the keys here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it will display the list of keys alone. If you want to know that values of that dictionary, that means you can type the name of the dictionary dot functions values. It will display the values alone. 80, 70, 50, 60, 90. So this is called as to accessing the keys or values in a dictionary. How we can access the keys alone in the dictionary? You can use the function. It is named what? Keys function. How you can use this keys function? What is the syntax for writing? Yes, dictionary dot keys. If you want to display the values alone the dictionary, what is the syntax for writing this? Dictionary name dot values function. Characteristics of a dictionary. Characteristics of a dictionary. There are some characteristics to use the dictionary. The first one is unordered set. Yes, dictionary is an unordered set. Unordered set of key value pairs. It is not a sequence, unlike string, list, tuple. Dictionary are not a sequence because it is an unordered set of elements. The indexed by keys. It is indexed by keys, not a numbers. The dictionary values indexed by a key value. See, listen, string, list, tuple and all we have indexed by the number. Yes, but here dictionary is indexed by the keys. Keys, that is an immutable types. That means we cannot change the keys. Keys must be unique. Each of the keys within a dictionary must be unique. For example, you are creating the keys 1, already you have created. Again you are creating one dictionary. Again you are creating, for example, C is a dictionary. You are creating the value 1, 10, 1, 20. See, keys must be unique. You should not create Okay, so if you are create like this, it will display the error message. It will display the error message. So these are all the characteristics of a dictionary. Unordered set. Dictionary is an unordered set. It is not a sequence because dictionary is an unordered set. It is indexed by keys. It is not an keys is an immutable types. Keys must be unique. So what we have completed today. So what does mean by dictionary? Yes, dictionary means it is a collection of different kind of values. Value pair. Key value pair. So that should be enclosed within curly brackets. So inside the curly brackets you can create your key value pairs. If you want to create multiple key value pairs, you can use the separator comma. How to create the dictionary? You can create the dictionary using the curly brackets, and you can use the function named what? Dict. How to access the dictionary? If you want to access the elements in the dictionary, you can use the key value to access the value in the dictionary. Traversing a dictionary. So the index value it is mentioned by, it is index value, it is what? It is not a number, it is a key. How will you how to traversing a dictionary? For what is the syntax for writing? For control variable in dictionary, you can process the values. There are two functions there. Keys function, value function. Keys function it is used to display the keys alone. Value function it is used to display the values alone in the dictionary. Characteristics of a dictionary: unordered set. It is not a sequence. Keys it is an immutable types. Indexed by keys. Keys must be unique. Thank you students. We'll see in the Thank you students. We'll see in the next class.